Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone to buy on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly, a travel enthusiast capturing stunning aerial footage, or a professional content creator looking for cinematic video quality, choosing the right drone can make all the difference. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best drones available on Amazon. We'll cover the key features, flight performance, camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and what makes each drone stand out. You'll find links to all of these drones in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with EIS 2K camera. Starting our list is the GPS drone with EIS 2K camera, an excellent choice for beginners and casual pilots looking for an affordable, feature-packed drone. This lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, making it easier to travel with in many regions. It comes with a built-in 2K camera featuring electronic image stabilization for smoother video recording and clearer photos. One of its biggest highlights is the remote controller with a built-in 7.22-inch display, eliminating the need to connect your smartphone. With up to 64 minutes of total flight time, intelligent GPS functions like Follow Me, AI Track, AI Night Shot, Auto Return, and adjustable flight speeds, this drone offers an enjoyable flying experience for new pilots. Pros: lightweight under 249-gram design, built-in 7.22-inch screen controller, smooth 2K EIS camera, up to 64 minutes of total flight time, Follow Me and AI Track features, beginner-friendly controls. Number 2. Upgraded tablet remote professional 4K drone. If you're looking for a professional drone built for users who want advanced features without stepping into premium flagship pricing, the upgraded tablet remote professional drone builds for users. Equipped with a stabilized 4K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, this drone captures smooth, detailed aerial footage. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety, while intelligent Follow Me mode keeps the camera locked on your subject. With up to 84 minutes of battery life using multiple batteries, high wind resistance, payload release capability, and an impressive control range of up to 5 miles, this drone is ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, and professional-looking content creation. Pros: stabilized 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, up to 84 minutes of flight time, long-range transmission up to 5 miles, payload release support, strong wind resistance. Number 3. Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle. This Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle delivers one of the most unique flying experiences on this list by combining immersive FPV technology with intelligent autonomous flight features. Its 8K 360-degree camera captures interactive panoramic footage, while point-to-fly motion control makes navigation simple and intuitive. Deep Track technology intelligently follows moving subjects, and obstacle avoidance helps ensure safer flights. This bundle includes vision goggles, a grip controller, and 3 batteries, providing extended flight sessions and an exciting first-person flying experience. The lightweight foldable design and 10-kilometer transmission range make it an excellent companion for travelers and adventure creators. Pros: immersive 8K 360-degree camera, vision goggles and grip controller included, Deep Track intelligent subject tracking, up to 10-kilometer transmission range, foldable lightweight design under 249 grams, 3 batteries included. Number 4. Professional Tablet Remote Pro 4K Drone. If you're looking for a drone built for serious aerial photography, this professional tablet remote Pro 4K drone offers an impressive combination of camera performance and intelligent flight technology. It features a stabilized 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, night mode for low-light recording, and payload release functionality. With up to 90 minutes of total flight time, 6-mile long-range transmission, rain-resistant construction, and beginner-friendly flight modes, it's suitable for both new and experienced drone pilots. Its strong wind resistance allows stable flights even in challenging outdoor conditions. Pros: high-quality stabilized 4K camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 90 minutes of total flight time, 6-mile long-range transmission, night mode and rain-resistant design, beginner and professional flight modes.
Number 5. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. Taking the top spot is the DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo, one of the most exciting FPV drones available in 2026. Designed for immersive first-person flying, the Avata 2 features DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller, allowing pilots to experience incredibly responsive and intuitive flight control. Its 1/1.3-inch 12-megapixel image sensor records stunning 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second with excellent detail and dynamic range. The built-in propeller guards improve safety while flying through tight spaces, and DJI's O4 transmission system delivers stable, low-latency video over long distances. Easy flip and roll functions make cinematic FPV maneuvers accessible even for newer pilots. For creators who want professional quality footage and one of the best FPV flying experiences available, the DJI Avata 2 is an outstanding choice. Pros: outstanding 4K HDR video quality, includes DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3, excellent FPV flying experience, O4 long-range low-latency transmission, built-in propeller guards for added safety, premium DJI reliability and performance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall FPV experience, the DJI Avata 2 stands out with its incredible image quality, immersive controls, and advanced flight technology. For creators who want long flight times and advanced obstacle avoidance, the Professional Tablet Remote Pro Drone is an excellent option. The Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle is perfect for immersive 360-degree aerial content in FPV adventures. The upgraded Tablet Remote Professional Drone offers an outstanding balance of performance, range, and value. And if you're just getting started, the GPS drone with EIS 2K camera is a beginner-friendly choice, packed with smart features at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. We'll see you in the next video.